In today's video, I will show you how you can sell your USDT on Bybit on P2P trading. So first, you want to find P2P trading on your home screen or on your favorites tab. But to me here, I don't have it. So if you don't have it, just click on more and on the search bar, just search P2P, and then once you see P2P trading, go right ahead and click it. After clicking P2P trading, it shall drag you this. So yeah, you got some options here. So you want to click on sell on this tab, and then make sure it's in USDT that is you're selling. And here, if you can enter any specific amount you want to withdraw or withdraw your USDT. And here, your payment methods, you can go for either of your bank or anything, but for this video, I'm going with my Gcash for my e-wallet. So, after that, we're just gonna have to, here, I only have 200 pesos, which is like $4. We're gonna cash this out. And we're gonna find some sellers, and here I click on this seller, and then there we go, just click on all and then press sell. After clicking sell, this will happen. So you have to be patient here and wait for your seller for you to respond and give you like the screenshot or receipt of that he sent or she sent the money to your bank. And after that, once she sent the receipt, make sure you check your bank or your e-wallet, and if it's there, then it's there. But it's not finished yet because we're still gonna have to do something. So after you receive the money, you're gonna have to click on this button, release now. After clicking release now, it shall give you some prompts like your verification code both on your email and your message. Make sure you fill that out. And that is how you sell your USDT or withdraw your USDT on your Bybit on P2P trading.